Hello everyone and welcome back to Katherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making banana bread. Let's get started. You will need 3 very ripe bananas. Wait until your bananas has black spots on it before you start to use it. You will also need 1 cup of granulated sugar, half cup of butter, and you're going to cream this until it is creamy. Okay, so guys, remember you crush your bananas first and you set it aside. So now we are about to add our eggs. You use 2 eggs. And now you're going to cream this again until it is combined. So now everything is nice and creamy. We are now going to add our mashed bananas. And again, we are going to mix it until it's combined. Okay, so from here on, we are going to remove our mixer and we are going to do everything by hand now. You have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of essence, vanilla. I'm gonna just mix this. And we are now going to fold in 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we are going to fold this in until it is properly mixed in. Then we are going to pour it into our greased loaf pan. It's going to be baked at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until it is a nice golden brown on top, and when you insert a pick into the center, it comes out clean. And this is the consistency that you need. And now you're going to put it in our pan. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the loaf pan. Make sure you level it out. Then you're going to put it in your oven and enjoy.